I'ma make it burn. I'ma make it burn. Let's go.
This is Octane Red _ 392. We out here at Cars Coffee. I'm gonna show you these cars.
Mr. Man and Legend, how y'all doing? Follow my boy, Octane Red 392, Even Toner Garage, watch it, man. Good content.
Even Toner Garage, watch it, boy.
I got toner.
Telling you. Even this guy.
I'm a nobody,
The most mysterious scat pack in the low country. What's going on, guys? Sorry about the interruption. I was wanting to bring you this new device called conplates tag holder. The small business is called Conplates. The owners are Ron and Brianna out of San Antonio, Texas. They specifically designed this device, which is a tag holder, to go on the inside of the car, so there's no tools needed. It won't damage the car or anything like that. It's perfect for car shows and for car dealers and car transporters that have to put tags in the front of the car or the back of the car, switching them out, everything like that. With this, you just stick it in the front windshield or the rear window with your tag. Go Jags. You just slide it in the top like so, and boom. What's also cool about this is the suction cups, they act as a stopper, so it doesn't make any noise when you're moving. So if you're going on a bumpy road, something like that, you're not gonna get an irritating rattling noise coming from the back for you car transporters and car dealers. So it also works as a visor, because it's the same size as a visor, as you can see. Same size. Just put it up front. You get to put it right here. That's where I would put it at, or down low. And you're ready to go. So now back to the video. Out here at Cars and Coffee Hinesville. This is the monthly car event. It's a free car show. So hope you guys enjoyed the cool cars that were out here today. Those Jeeps, the Hellcats, the old school Chevys over here, the trucks, the tuners, all of it, man. It's a good mix of all kind of car life out here. So if you're in a low country area, don't forget, check out the Hinesville Cars and Coffee every last Saturday of each month. So see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. So this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!